So guys, it's been a long time since I made a video about this, like, you know. But I actually got my car back, you know. It took 5 months, but I actually got it back.
5 long months.
Long, hot and then cold months. But yeah, finally got it back. It's at the house right now, actually, and we're gonna she hasn't seen it yet.
Who?
You.
Oh yeah.
There's only she in the car.
Well, because I went to get my lashes done.
But yeah, I picked it up. A lot of money later. Finally, it's good now. So yeah, it still needs an alignment, so I have to take it on Tuesday to get an alignment. The same place we took the speed to get the black speed to get the clutch done. That same shop, but I'm too black, so the sun's blocking me out. No, but we have to take it over to get the alignment because right now it's driving sideways. It's like I'm drifting all the time. But it looks good in the back. That's what she said.
What do you mean by that?
I've actually seen the car a couple times. I just haven't said anything about it because I don't want to make no videos and be extra. This dude, look at him. Look at him. For what? I just didn't say anything about it. I was trying to be on the down low, keep it like a surprise because I didn't think they were gonna fix it actually, but it was kind of like last minute thing and they actually fixed it. So, yeah, I got it back. It's good. Everything's good. It's clear. The steering wheel is like 45 degrees to the left, but it's alright. Like literally, that's how you go straight. It's like literally like this.
Oh God.
But yeah, it drives. It just drives really weird.
Where's everyone on today?
What's today? Friday.
Today's Friday.
That's why they got paid.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, this video is definitely going up.
Probably next year.
Nah, I'm gonna upload this video tonight.
Stop the cap.
Look, I'm straight in the car. This is gonna be the live reaction to her seeing the car. Put it on your face.
Are we almost home?
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow they can record us going to Texas and Brazil.
A little vlog. I need to get the other channel going, but I keep talking about it. I'm not doing. Oh, street. I keep talking about. I'm not doing it. I need you guys to
motivate him.
Give me 5 likes in this video, and I'll literally upload it on the other
5 likes? Channel. That's too little.
All right, fine. Give me 10 likes in this video.
20.
20 likes, and I'll show the other channel. I'll upload the videos. I have a lot of videos ready to upload. I just haven't done it.
All the way from California.
From September. I have videos from September, which is crazy.
I put my spectacles on.
Look, even now, you still can't see it. It's blocked by the van.
Let's see. Oh, I see the splitter. Wow. Wow. Pretty.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
What's the battery at?
2.
Yeah, that's enough. That's all we need.
I mean, we're gonna come back in here anyways.
We're taking that to get food?
No, we can't drive.
You can drive it.
Do you have gas in it?
I got gas in it. Where's your phone?
Oh yeah, I do. Got no gas in it. Nothing. I'm gonna show them. The push? Not yet. Look at that.
Put it back. Just the back. This is crazy though. Like this from before to now is crazy.
You should put like an before and after pic.
I am. Yeah, this is. I don't think they're gonna get it this good. Like this looks like it never even got touched. And they buffed the paint. Everything looks real shiny and it's nice. Everything's nice. I got these ugly winters on, but it's fine.
It's okay. It's still winter.
Still got carbon fiber for days. Rear and the front. Rear. The front. And it's so shiny you can't even see. It's so shiny you can't even like. I can't even get the carbon in here. But yeah, let's take a drive real quick.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. Today's January 2nd. No, January 3rd now. And we're gonna be taking the car to get its alignment because the steering wheel is not at all straight. So yeah, I gotta put this radar back up in here. It's wet outside, so usually you gotta stick it when it's warm. You gotta stick it on the window like this. But it's cold, and I don't know if it's gonna stick. Like the or silk plastic, whatever, this rubber, silicone plastic, it's too like brittle, and it's not gonna stick properly. So if I try it, it's not gonna go. Hold on, let me some water on this. And the outside rain. Let's see if it sticks. It might stick actually.
X-band.
Missed that. K-band. KA band. Laser. GPS connected. Come on. One more. One more. One more. You're missing one. You're missing one. But yeah, we are all good. Good to go here. Everything we need in here. Hold on, everything important in here. Just some mail and some other garbage. We're gonna go pick up the
GPS connected.
There it is. We're gonna go pick up the camera lady. You know, you guys know who that is. And then we're gonna get started on this day. I need to, 1, get this alignment. 2, drive all this gas out of this car because it's been sitting here for 5 months. And that's not very good. The appointment's at 10. I'm running late. It's already 9:30, but let's just get this day started. I mean, Jesus Christ, it's been a long-awaited 5 months. I mean, it's good. Long-awaited 5 months. But yeah, get today started. I'll pick it up when I get to the camera lady's house, and I can show you guys the steering wheel. Literally, it's like, hold on, it's not straight, bro. Like, this is the center line of the steering wheel. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. This red line right there, and you see it's not even straight. It's off. So to go straight, my steering wheel has to be this way. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, I'll pick it up when we get over to the place. So we're back at the shop that you guys saw before with the speed to get in the alignment. Yeah, it's the same place. So it has the TNP, Total Motive Performance. It's in Glenview, Illinois. Great place. They got everything you need. You need nitrous, they got you.
AIAG stage 1 block.
You need a Subi Boxer engine, they got you. You need wheels, they got you. You need your clutch installed, they got you. I mean, they have everything. Cool place. I'm sorry, I'm gonna start living here. She's worried because our dog fell chasing a cat and now he's limping.
Stupid cat.
Ooh, what, did I broke that? Did I break it?
No.
But yeah, he fell chasing a cat and now he's limping. And dogs are like humans and they're really expensive.
It's like a child.
Like, it's literally like a child, so.
Except we don't talk back. Well,
He talks back.
not all the time. He's a good dog.
He be talking back.
He's a good dog.
He be talking back.
He's a good dog.
Sometimes I gotta tackle him, you know.
No.
Big boy.
He's a really big boy. He's
I don't even think they ever seen Roscoe, have they?
No. guys want to see a picture of?
That was him and me. And he was a shorty. That was 2 summers ago. Oh, summer and a half. 2 years
June
ago.
13th,
Yeah, June 13th, 2021. Yeah, that was when he was a shorty.
Yeah.
And now,
Hold on.
this is him. Now, big boy, huge. He can no longer fit in my lap. He tries to,
Nope.
but he's too big.
Yep. I think this is
German-
lap dog.
Yeah, German Shepherd and a Siberian Husky. So a lot of energy, real big. Oh, too zoomed in. A lot of energy, real big, real goofy also. But yeah. But yeah, so hopefully Look.
Boy.
destruction. There's a clown.
But do you guys peep this? Hold on. Right there.
Yeah.
All they was doing was chasing a portrait.
That's why cats are just.
Cats are a menace.
That's not my car. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Wait. They can hear it. Wait, let me see if I go back to that. Yeah, that's when he was. That was at I don't even know when that was.
July 28th.
Look at him, big self. He can't fit, but he thinks he can fit. Like, dude.
He's so cute.
But yeah.
Cute little dog.
So this shouldn't take too long, but he's gonna tell me quickly if it's
That's
either.
not your car.
That's my car right there. You hear it?
No, it's not your
It's my car. It's my cam's loping like that. No, but yeah, they're gonna tell me pretty quickly if it's the like tie rods, whatever, are bent or broken. Because the steering, like I said, the steering wheel you guys saw earlier is literally, it's like 45 degrees to the left of where it should be. There's me. Oh, that's the one right next to me. Yes, sir. I have a Eclipse DSM over here. No, it's different. They have a Genesis right here.
What the heck is that? A dog?
Another Genesis over there.
I know I want a Genesis.
Is that a Hellcat? I don't know for real. I don't know the difference.
That's our tea.
But I have a key. And there's mine. I have to get taken away.
Oh.
Yeah, you guys saw this room before. The engine building room. You guys saw this before. Cool room. This place is pretty awesome. Just the rims. If you can get it up there. Are you jumping?
That didn't sound right.
It's the ramp.
That didn't sound right.
It's the ramp. But yeah,
Didn't sound right.
this place is pretty cool.
Look, and they have this thingy.
What? I know the simulator. Because last time I came here, it wasn't finished. So, yeah, now it's done.
Is that an Xbox?
What?
That?
Where?
Xbox.
There's a logo for it, yeah.
Oh.
You can use it with the Xbox. But it's literally a whole simulator. Like, it moves and everything.
Excuse me. So sorry, I didn't mean that.
Yeah, it's pretty raw.
Walker 1973 to 2006. Oh.
Where? Oh yeah, I like that. But yeah, so hopefully, like I said, we're able to get the alignment today. If not, I take it back and they gotta order some parts and then get stuff fixed, which would suck. But
Yeah.
it is what it is.
the fuck he's doing to the car?
It's spinning. There it goes.
But
That thing is nice.
he has to keep that door open, right?
I don't know if he's gonna dyno or I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's dynoing it. I don't know. If he
No,
is, it's
like-
gonna be really loud.
Huh?
If he's dynoing, he's gonna be. Oh, he's not dynoing. Bro, that's really loud.
I'm surprised they don't
Say something.
do anything about it.
But yeah, got the car back. Steering wheel is straight. We should be good. I'm gonna take it around a little bit and yeah. This place is Tony Motive.
Performance. Oh no.
Is
You didn't see it.
the sticker backwards? I don't know if the sticker's backwards or not, but Tony Motive Performance. I think it's backwards. Anyway, yeah, TMP, Tony Motive Performance. It's in Glenview, Illinois.
Be closer.
Great place. I mean, they do a lot of stuff here. A lot of, I guess, like if you need like a,
Fast stuff.
yeah. He said it's like a speed shop, except we don't have a dyno, you know. But yeah, so that's done. And yeah, I'm gonna get on with our day. Maybe we can vlog a little bit. I don't know. We'll fix something. We'll get some food. It's 11:30, so car's done. We're good, and yeah, we'll see you guys. Not see you guys, but yeah.